just when you think your trail comes to an end, welcome to one of the nicest campsites I've ever seen. Check out this. Adrian here for Overland Adventuring, and today I'm on a solo mission, maybe for a night or two, I'm not sure, at least one night, because I showed you how I came to the end of the trail and I found this little honey hole of a campsite. This has got to be one of my favorite places that I've ever camped at. I'm by myself. It is a Crown Land site, so there is some indications that people have been here before, but what more do you need? I'm going to put out the tent. I got myself a fire. I'm going to bake some bread. If I can get out there, I'm going to try to get myself some lake trout. Sit back, watch my little adventure here on this beautiful lake, which I'm going to keep a secret because it is too nice. What are you going to do? Dry as a bone. On this trip, I wanted to go to a place that I've been trying to find for quite a while, and that's what they call Silver Lake Runway, and it's an abandoned airstrip, which is pretty cool. It's up on this Crown Land area I like to go. That's the only hint that I'm going to give you to where I'm hanging out, because like anybody, I want to protect these spots, but this is a place I've been looking to get to for a while. It's kind of neat. Let me give you a quick tour of an abandoned runway here in Ontario. This is what they call the abandoned runway. Check her out. A bit of a sand pit. when you think your trail comes to an end. Welcome to one of the nicest campsites I've ever seen. Give you a quick tour here. Check it out. Got my canoe, had it on top of the rooftop tent, which is a little bit tricky but possible to do. Strapped it down to the roof. I got my fire, I built it up. Got a little wind shelter here because it is really windy today. Found some wood. I got my front runner chairs. I got my tent. There's the water jug. Kind of leveled out the Jeep a little bit by catching it on a rock there and put underneath. Bit of a log up front, so it's looking pretty level, not too bad. And as far as I can tell, I've got everything I need. Not a very nice night for camping, but you know what? If you ask me, it's still just fine. Look at those clouds. Here comes the rain again though. It was just taking a little break on me, but look at this lake, look at this spot.
Nice little tent spot here. I couldn't be happier here, man. Cannot wait to get a little fish on tomorrow. Here we go.
I don't know if you can hear the wind kicking up, but it's starting to howl here. I'm pretty excited about it actually. Lake still looks calm, but that sky is getting pretty dark. Well, it is the champagne of beers. So, there you go. Look at that. Oh, I don't think. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. That's all right. Oh yeah, we'll just let that sit for a little bit and get on to our curry. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, olive bread, perfect. Olive bread, perfect. A little burnt. Got 'em after that, but there's nothing wrong with that meal. Love it. Okay, it's been about an hour since I checked in with you, but here comes the rain. So, tornado warning, boom! Yeah, so there we go. That just came in where I am, but here comes the rain. Oh yeah. Let's go up in the tent and see what it's like. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know what? Nice and dry up here. Awnings are good. I gotta gonna try to get some dinner in me while this storm kicks up. I don't know, Nick. What do you want to talk about? And for the love of God, put a shirt on. What are you gonna do? You know what, I gotta be honest with you. Sure, it's a little noisy, but it's actually pretty pleasant in here. So, that's all I have to say. I'm going to bed. Good night. Hey, good morning. Storm and rain's over, but I tell you, it's an absolutely gorgeous morning here on this little lake. No one around. It's just perfect. I'm gonna jump in the canoe, go for a little canoe ride, but I gotta tell you, being out here, it's just amazing, right? I've seen deer, I've seen wild turkeys, I had a hummingbird whipping around the tent this morning. It just keeps going. It's absolutely gorgeous. Silence. What do we have here? Oh, look at this little guy. There you go, buddy. A little truck. What a big day. Big day for that little mussel. Little clam.